Hello guys. Sorry for disruption. 13 number. Negatively charged suspension of the clay in water will need for precipitation the minimum amount of the ammonium chloride, potassium sulfate, sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, and none of the above. Here the option number A, ammonium chloride. 14. Difference between colloids and crystalloids of the particle size, composition, particle size, concentration, ionic character, and none of the above. Here the option number B, particle size, only for the differences between the colloidal and crystallization. Question number 15. The purification of colloidal particle from crystalloid dimension through the semi-permeable membrane is known as coagulation, dialysis, ultrafiltration, peptidation, and none of the above. Here the option number B, dialysis. Question number 16. The stability of lyophilic colloids is due to the charge on their particle, a layer of depression medium on their particles, larger size of the particle, and none of the above. Here the option number B, a layer of dispersion medium on their particle, 17. Milk is a colloidal in which a liquid is dispersed in a liquid, a solid is dispersed in the liquid, a gas is dispersed in the liquid, and some sugar is dispersed in water. A liquid is dispersed in a liquid colloids. 18. Which of the following substance gives a positively charged salt? Gold, metal sulfate, ferric sulfide, ferric hydroxide, and acid dye, and none of the above. Here the option number C, ferric hydroxide, because Fe plus 3 more positive ions, so highly positively charged solution. 19. The light scattering in a colloidal particle is visible to naked eye, not visible by any means, visible under an ordinary microscope, visible under ultra microscope. Here the answer, visible under ultra microscope, option number D. 20. Flocculation value is expressed in the term of millimole per liter, mole per liter, gram per liter, mole per millimeter, millimole per liter. 21. Which of the following is an emulsifier? Soap, water, oil, NaCl, yeah, none of the above. Here the soap is an emulsifier. 22. Suspension are visible to naked eye, invisible through the microscope, not visible by any means, invisible under electron microscope. Here the option number A, visible to naked eye. 23. Lyophilic salts are more stable than lyophobic salt because the colloidal particle has positive charge, the colloidal particle has no charge, the colloidal particle are soluble. There is strong electrolytic repulsion between the negatively charged colloidal particle, and none of the above. Here the option number C, the colloidal particle are soluble. 24. Which is the correct statement in case of milk? Milk is an emulsion of protein in water. Milk is an emulsion of fat in water. Milk is stabilized by the protein. Milk is stabilized by the fat. Milk is an emulsion of protein in water. 25. When the dispersion medium is water, the colloidal system is called sol, aerosol, organosol, aquasol, and none of the above. Option number D, aquasol. 26. When the freshly precipitated substance is converted into a colloidal solution with the help of a third substance, the process is known as coagulation, peptidation, electrodispersion, dialysis, Here the option number B, peptidation. 26 material phenomenon is exhibited by NaCl solution, a star solution, urea solution, AFeCl solution. Here the option number B, star solution. 28 the colloidal solution of gelatin is known as solvate, loving salt, reversible salt, hydrophilic salt. Here all of the above. Here the all of the above. 29 which one of the following is not a colloid? Milk, blood, solution of urea, ice cream, and none of the above. Solution of urea is not colloids. 30 if the goal number A, B, C, D 0.005, 0.0005, 0.05, 0.5 respectively, then which of the following have the highest protective? Means goal number minimum protective is high, so the A. In a emulsion, dispersion medium and dispersed phase are both solid, both gas, both liquid. One is solid, another liquid. At the option number C, both liquid. 32 an emulsifier accelerates the dispersion, homogenize the emulsion, stabilize the emulsion, aids the collocation of emulsion. Stabilize the emulsion. 33 an emulsion of oil in water type has the viscosity greater than the internal phase, greater than that of vehicle, less than of the internal phase, less than the vehicle. Here none of the above. Here the option number A, greater than the internal phase. 34 if the zeta potential of the suspension is high, then the system will be considered as deflocation, collocation, emulsion, sedimentation. Here the deflocation, sedimentation high, deflocation. 35 in emulsion the velocity of sedimentation is found to be negative. It means the creaming is efficient in both direction, downward direction, upward direction, none of the above. Negativity means downward direction, option number D, and none of the above. The density of the dispersed phase is more than the dispersion medium according to the Stokes equation. Creaming is at the center of the emulsion, both direction, downward direction, upward direction. 36 C, downward direction. When the downward direction dispersed phase is more than the dispersion medium. 37 when oil and water are triturated together, the interfacial free energy bar observed to be increased. What does it indicate? Decrease the interfacial tension, decrease the stability, increase the stability, a stable film coated. Here the 37 option number B, decrease the stability. 38 for the stable emulsion, the phase of volume ratio is generally about the 26 by 74, 52 by 48, 74 by 26, 74 by 100. Here the 30 is 52 by 48. 39 the HLV range emulsifier employed in the preparation of water in oil emulsion is 3 to 6, 7 to 12, and 13 to 15, and more than 15. You also know HBl value lower the more oil and upper top water concentration. So the 3 to 6, option number A. 40 in case of emulsion, the viscosity immediately after preparation and during storage respectively will be higher and will be decreased gradually, higher and gradually increase, lower and gradually decrease, lower and gradually increase, none of the above. Here option number C, lower and gradually decrease. 41 the distribution of globules is not uniform in emulsion. This stage is termed as breaking, caking, coalescence, creaming, and none of the above. Here the option number D, creaming. 42 And while in water, microemulsion is prepared using hydrophilic surfactant, the appearance of the microemulsion: intense white, milky white, translucent, transparent, and none of the above. Transparent emulsions are defined as thermodynamically unstable systems. The events that follow sequentially toward the instability are coalescence, breaking, creaming, and collocation, coalescence, collocation, creaming, and breaking, collocation, creaming, breaking, and collocation, collocation, creaming, collocation, and breaking. Here, option number D. In the stability of emulsion, which instability step is prevented by the emulsion: breaking, collocation, creaming, collocation. 44 के B, collocations. Forty-four के collocations. 45. An emulsion with emulsion is designated while water, while water, while water, while water, water, while water. Option number D. 45 का D. 46. The main function of an emulsifier in the preparation of emulsion is to develop a condensed membrane layer film, increase the repulsion between globules coming together, increase the surface free energy, reduce the interfacial tension. 46 A. Develop a condensed membrane film layer. 47. An emulsifier is considered to be ideal if it is soluble in aqua while gas phase, aqueous phase only, both aqueous and wild phase only, both aqueous and wild phase. 48. On commercial scale, emulsion are prepared by centrifugation, dialysing, freezing, homogenization, या none of the above. Here the 48 के D. Homogenization. 49. Microemulsion is not considered to be true emulsion because appearance in transparent emulsion is not used, immiscible phase is absent, internal phase is not spherical. 49 के C. Immiscible phase is absent. 50. A variety of factors would influence the rate of creaming in an emulsion. The factor open to formulation pharmacists to regulate density of dispersion medium, density of dispersed phase, globule size, volume of dispersion medium, या none of the above. Here the option number C. Globule size. So guys, after 50 in coming next video, so very thank you.